Well, I haven't seen you for a while.
Easy come, easy go. No need to fight about it. Easy come, easy go. No stress, I'm good without it. Easy come, easy go. Let's keep it fun and simple.
I'm done. We're finished. Making a tea real quick, grabbing a banana, and let's go to the job. And by the way, we got a car. A new one. It's a E36 with 2.8 liter engine and it runs amazing. I'm telling you, like it's I love it. So I better go to the job real quick. And I knew it, like I need to pump that tire as well. So let's go.
No need to fight about it. Easy come, easy go.
Yes, that's what I need. Like right there, right there. Like that one, that one. Let's pump this bad boy up. And he's ready. Let's go. How did I know? Like the railway station is again closed. Come on. Look! He's doing the act from Titanic. Oh, that looked amazing. Nice one. Anyway, maybe this is the time when I say where I have been. Well, to be honest, I don't have an answer. Like, I was doing a lot of things, and I was actually always thinking of vlogging and doing something with camera, but it just didn't happen. And now I'm like, dude, like, just pick up the camera, do everything you want, and I actually need to drive. I don't know, to be honest. I really don't know. Like, if I would had an answer for it, I would probably tell you, but for now, like, it was just me. I'm at the stoplight so I can talk again. So, actually, I think I have an answer. That's actually really simple. I was probably too afraid to take the camera and vlog. That's it. And I don't know why, but from now I'm like, F everything, and everything like that way, that don't think too much what people are thinking about you, and do what you love to do in your life. That's it. Overall, my point is, like, just stop giving too much shit about everything. Like, just live life as you want, and I'm off to the road right now. See you a bit later. So hungry. Let's get some food. Alright, I thought I was more hungrier, but seems like not, because I only got like bread type of thing with butter, and then I got oatmeal, like fast oatmeal make with sandwich, not sandwich, but like strawberries, I mean. I just feel like I'm gonna be hungry again, like after like 2 hours, because I need to be at work like for 4 hours more. But right now I'm gonna probably go to the gas station, pump my tire again, so it's not gonna be on zero again, almost, but yeah, let's go. you can't see, but it's like 1.5 right now in there. Yeah. That's quite fast. Alright, I'm back at work right now. Pumped my tire, got some food, and I might see you only now after like 4 hours. Then the job is gonna be over, and I'm planning to go to dancing today. Gonna be alone there, and I'm gonna have fun there. So it's 6 p.m. and I'm done for today. I'm gonna go home right now, gonna grab something to eat, and then gonna go dancing. So let's go. I actually took a nap and I'm here. I should change. Oh, this is much better. Let's go. Yo, I'm sweating. Whew. Need to do some windmills now, and I think I'm gonna sign off for today. But first, windmills. Yo, I'm done. Like, I'm done. I'm so exhausted right now. I'm gonna do a 6-pack abs right now, session. I think I'm done after that. Probably see you somewhere around next days. I will be starting to vlog more and more. And yeah, see you later. Stay strong, stay positive, and